And how will you describe the process so far?
Well, yes, I am excited. I've had the privilege and the opportunity to cast my vote. Today is a big day. For so long, we have been fighting, going to all nooks and crannies of the state to market our agenda. The die is cast. Today is the day, and I've cast my vote.
Your Excellency, I know you'll be having some feelers from across some 5 local government areas. So please tell us.
Well, the assessment so far is we believe we are going to win.
Let me see the logo. Let me see the logo.
That has been the feelers on the ground for more than a month. The momentum was there all along coming into the polling today. I expect at the end of the day we will be declared the winner. But I haven't said so. The PDP entered into this contest with a predetermination to ensure that attacks are launched on the polling units across the state, most especially here in Delta Central, to destroy the votes. Since morning, we've received reports of those attacks in polling units in Ewereni. We've received the same in Ughelli South. We've received the same in, I believe, in Utiri in Ughelli. There's some mischief going on since last night in Baramatu and Upraza with Mori Southwest. We'll be getting the security agencies to respond, and they've been responding. But it does appear that they have been overwhelmed, because here we are out trying to protect our stuff, trying to protect our votes all across the state, because we have votes to protect. For them, they don't have votes to protect, so they just attack. But as it may, we are very confident at the end of the day.
The INEC.
My message to Deltans is this is the day that the Lord is made. The day we've all looked forward to. In praise, just come out, cast your votes.